Bitcoin's price has approached 2-month lows, and while long-term prospects look optimistic, our analysis tells us that this crypto dump could get worse due to two reasons, and one of those reasons has historically led to a 50% price dump in Bitcoin. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop the latest content. Follow us on Twitter at Altcoin Buzz.io, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Metamask, a crypto wallet provider, has partnered with PayPal to offer Ethereum purchases for users in the United States. The company states this makes it the first Web3 wallet to enable such transactions through PayPal. The collaboration between Metamask and PayPal allows US users to select PayPal as their payment method while purchasing ETH using Metamask, and also facilitates the transfer of ETH from PayPal to Metamask. To access this feature, users can log into their Metamask account through the browser extension, mobile app, or Metamask portfolio and click on Buy. The new integration will enable users to add ETH to their Metamask wallet using their PayPal balance, linked bank account, or debit or credit card. This collaboration comes shortly after the recently launched Buy Crypto feature, which allows users to purchase over 90 tokens across 8 different networks with various payment methods, including debit or credit cards, bank transfers, PayPal, and instant ACH. The 8 different networks include Ethereum, Polygon, Arbitrum, BNB, Avalanche, Phantom, Optimism, and CeeLo. The partnership, which is one of several efforts to allow users to buy cryptocurrency seamlessly, marks another significant development for the cryptocurrency industry. By enabling users to buy ETH with PayPal, Metamask is making it easier for people to access and use cryptocurrencies, which could encourage more people to explore the Web3 ecosystem. Ethereum protocol developer Preston Van Loon declared that the Ethereum mainnet issues that have been troubling the community over the past few hours are resolved. The core developer announced that though the blockchain users were not able to complete their transactions for more than 25 minutes yesterday, the finality has been restored. On May 11th, several core developers of Ethereum's Beacon chain spotted an unidentified issue that caused incomplete transactions, and though they were able to propose new blocks, the finalization was interrupted. Subsequent to the issue, Ethereum Beacon chain health consultant Superhis notified his followers of the mainnet issue, adding that the chain is resilient and would continue transactions as usual. Though the issue had been cleared, the cause of the malfunction still remains a mystery. Many of the developers came forward to inform the community about the positive outcome, adding that the investigation would continue. A similar issue was recently noticed on March 15th when a Gorilla testnet version of Ethereum's Chappelle upgrade was delayed due to the low validator participation rates. Binance CEO CZ took to Twitter to share that locked Ethereum hit an all-time high, mentioning locked ETH instead of staked ETH to give more focus on the price. It means he is bullish on ETH price as locked ETH and ETH staking continue to rise. Typically, an increasing the amount of ETH locked up may lead to a decrease in the overall supply of Ethereum tokens available in the market, and the decrease in ETH will cause prices to rally higher. According to Etherscan data, 21.1 million ETH, worth over $38 billion, have been deposited into Ethereum's Beacon chain deposit contract. The Ethereum staking deposits outpaced withdrawals amid the memecoin frenzy, especially Pepe, that caused gas fees on Ethereum to rise to 12-month highs. Data from Nansen indicates the number of unique staking depositors stands at roughly 112,000, which has increased significantly after the Shanghai upgrade. Data from Beacon Scan also shows that the number of active validators has increased to 566,000, with nearly 40,000 pending validators. Binance has also announced a reduction in the processing time for ETH staking withdrawal requests to just 5 days from the initial 15 days starting on May 18th. The exchange also plans to further reduce the processing time to better serve users. The processing time is subject to change based on the network's demand, and Binance also mentioned conditions like users cannot cancel their withdrawal requests. With the processing time of ETH staking withdrawals reduced from 15 to 5 days, users will be able to access their funds faster, and this will provide more flexibility for traders and investors who may want to use ETH for other purposes such as buying other cryptocurrencies or paying bills. This move could be beneficial for traders who need to quickly move in and out of positions, as they'll be able to access their funds faster. This may lead to more people willing to stake their ETH, which could result in a decrease in the circulating supply of ETH, potentially driving up its price, and Binance's move to reduce the processing time for ETH staking withdrawals may put pressure on other crypto exchanges to do the same. Coinbase has come out with an apology for its recent newsletter suggesting Pepe the Frog was a hate symbol. Chief Legal Officer Paul Grewal issued the apology shortly after Delete Coinbase trended on Twitter with hundreds of thousands of tweets, many of them from customers vowing to delete the app and close their accounts. Grewal wrote on Twitter, "We screwed up and we're sorry. Yesterday we shared an overview of the Pepe Memecoin to provide a fact-based picture of the trending topic. This did not provide the whole picture of the history of the meme, and we apologize to the community." Coinbase's stock had fallen 3.66% yesterday, along with a mass exodus of users from the platform.
Meanwhile, Coinbase dropping more than 3.6%. The hashtag delete Coinbase trending today amid backlash over the company referring to Pepe the Frog as a hate symbol.
Grewal's tweet had collected 200,000 views at the time of publication and was met with praise. One user proclaimed that Pepe had been exonerated, and another said that they had deep respect for Coinbase admitting that they were wrong. Other users thanked Coinbase for the apology and forgave them, but asked for Pepe to be listed on the exchange as it's currently only available through the Coinbase wallet, and Binance also listed the token last Friday, coinciding with record highs. Bitcoin may be in for a 50% dump as meme coin mania has historically marked the top of the cycle. Like I mentioned last week, when the meme coins start pumping, the market is usually on its last leg and it's about to dump. Hopefully you guys stayed safe and didn't overextend. A chart posted by Jay on Twitter shows the meme coin token trading volume overlaid with the Bitcoin price. Every time meme coin volume gets to a peak, Bitcoin has fallen 50% in price in the coming months. At the same time, there are currently over 300,000 transactions waiting to be confirmed in Bitcoin's mempool, and lately Bitcoin transaction fees were also quite high, with high priority transactions commanding a rate of around $30. For the first time since 2017, transaction fees in a single block surpassed the block rewards given to miners. Transaction fees in the block clocked in at 6.7 Bitcoin, beating the block subsidy of 6.25 Bitcoin. These metrics mainly benefit miners, and as we dip lower in price, miners will begin to sell off even more Bitcoin while they can before another 50% dip. Bitcoin has already neared 2-month lows today amid fears that a head and shoulders pattern would put bears ahead. TradingView showed Bitcoin reaching $26,100 today, its lowest since March 17th. Despite encouraging macroeconomic conditions for risk assets, Bitcoin failed to capitalize on the potential for gains as bid liquidity headed lower. On daily timeframes, concerns among the market participants thus focused on whether the pair would now stay lower after 3 local tops. This head and shoulders pattern is now clearly visible on the chart. Trader and analyst Mustache meanwhile showed that it was already time for the key 200-week moving average to receive a retest. Saying a make-or-break level, the 200 weekly moving average has served as support since mid-March, and multiple traders were already looking for a deeper retracement to $25,000 or lower. The BTI indicator, which measures the directional momentum and strength of Bitcoin's price, flipped from bullish to neutral yesterday. The indicator consistently signaled an uptrend since January 13th, barring the brief red flash downtrend signal in mid-March and the neutral reading on April 24th. According to Matthew Dibb, Chief Investment Officer at Astronaut Capital, lower liquidity seems to have helped fewer sellers drive prices lower. There seems to be paper-thin liquidity right now, even across majors such as Bitcoin. While we can't point to a direct reason for the weakness, any medium to large offers are driving the market down. Liquidity or market depth has recently worsened on major exchanges, including Binance, making it difficult for traders to execute large orders without influencing prices. According to the founder and CEO of trading firm TDX Strategies, the downside move may gather pace if traditional risk assets turn lower, saying we could get an acceleration to the downside if US equities start to roll over. 25,200 is a key support for Bitcoin, followed by 23,100 on potential downside acceleration. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz News Update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.